Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 10th. We have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. We have also 2 tectonics. First one, second one, 2 binaries, binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus or puzzles. But I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the Sudoku with 3 stars. With 4 stars I will solve. Then a tectonic and a binary puzzle. So total of 4 Sudokus I will solve 4 out of 8. Why? Well, it's too much for me and time consuming because a Sudoku or puzzle of 50 minutes. Then I need also the same time to upload it to YouTube, so it's a lot of work and only 4. Yes, and the first one I will solve will be a number 2925. Yes, 2925. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. I see 4 times a 9. So let me start with the. Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes. So let me start with 6 then. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next. Only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then we go to the number 9. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then, how about, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the 4 column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the second column? So the third column, only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Okay, these 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this column? Here we have 3 and 8. So those 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. Then 3 missing numbers. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay, and now, well, 2 numbers left. In the middle row for the numbers 2 and 8, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in this row? Also the 2 and the 3 are missing. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about those 2 boxes in the first column for the numbers 1 and 5? Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1 and 5. How about, let me see. 4. Okay. 4, 5. I'm thinking 5. So 7. 2. Did I made a mistake? 1 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, not 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here. It is 2 and a 5. Correction! Could be happen if you made a mistake, yes. Then come on, it's taking too long. How about 1, 2, 3 is missing. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Yeah, this box should be 3 and a 5. How about 1, 2, 3, 7. No 7 here. Okay, how about 2, 3, and 8. 2. What's happening now? What's happening? Where's the opening? The opening. Those three missing numbers. The 1, the 3, and the 5, and the 8. 1, 3, 8. Okay. I'm missing something. 3 and 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 2, 2, 2. And 2, 8. I need this number. 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Aha. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5 in the middle column. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now. The 1, the 2 is no. Yeah, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 3 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. The 2 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. Okay. 3, 8, and 4. Okay. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in a row above, so in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. All right, now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. All right. Then. 3. Okay. With the 5. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 3. Here also the 1 and the 3 is missing. How about 1 and the 3 and the 7? 1 and the 3. No. 1 and the 7. Yeah. 3, 3. 8 and the 3. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this column. 8 and the 3 are missing in this column. 8 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated this 8 because we have 2 8s in the last row. Now I can put the 8 there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 3. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. No, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes, 13 minutes, I do not know. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.